Well, it's one of those mornings. I already made a video and went to watch the playback and no audio. I forgot to turn the microphone on. It's a windy, cool morning for here anyways. And all the locust trees that we've got planted. Summer locust, honey locust, locust. Hope this microphone's going. Yes, our winds are 10 to 15 miles an hour right now and building up. Russian olive tree didn't survive the winter. It was transplanted pretty late in the season. Yeah, well, anyways, just not going to do much today. I think that we're going to be going to town. Wind turbine's going, really a-going. Yeah, anyways, I hope everybody has a good morning.